Hey DUT students! Wondering how to check your timetable on the new Peoplesoft campus solution? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In just a few easy steps, you'll be able to access your full timetable and see exactly when and where your classes take place. Step 1. Access the DUT website. To begin, just open your preferred web browser and navigate to www.dut.ac.za. On the homepage, click on the Students tab. Step 2. Log into Student Self-Service. Under Student Services, select Student Self-Service Web Reg Results to proceed. On the login page, enter your user ID and password. Click the Sign In button to access your student portal. Step 3. Navigate to your timetable. Once you're logged in and on the student homepage, click on the View My Timetable tile to access your lecture timetable. Step 4. View your timetable. Under View My Timetables, you can see your schedule in a way that works best for you, either by class or by date. Guys, your timetable will display everything from Monday to Sunday. If you're an undergraduate program, your schedule will show classes between 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. For postgraduate students, it'll show classes between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. This view includes all of your lectures, tutorials, and practical sessions, so you'll have a full view of your academic week. Step 5. Print or save timetable. For convenience, you can also print your timetable or save it digitally for easy access and reference. Click Printable Page. This will show a pop-up screen of your timetable to print. Click Print. Once you've saved or printed the timetable, you can view it anytime and anywhere. And that's all it takes, guys. With just a few clicks, your timetable is at your fingertips. Stay on top of your classes, stay organized, and make most of your academic year by checking your timetable regularly. If you have any questions or need further assistance, visit our lecture timetable webpage, where you will find the student timetable FAQs and step-by-step guides designed to provide additional support and help you access your timetable with ease. For updates and more information, visit our DUT website on www.dut.ac.za.